Hello guys, good day and welcome to Archilus. I'm Architect Chocho and today we're here at the swimming pool area and I will show you here the ongoing installation of the tiles and also the ongoing installation of the accent tiles for the columns and all the development here at the swimming pool deck area. Right now we're here at the 9th floor swimming pool area. Let's take a look first the kiddie pool. Now here is our kiddie pool. It's still ongoing development of the installation of our 30 by 30 mosaic tiles. Now over there, we also have the plant box. Then yun yung column natin. We have some shed or canopy here as part of our design. Then over here on my side, meron din tayong plant boxes. So every columns, meron tayong mga plant boxes. So we make sure we have some green here that will blend in dito sa ating landscape ng ating swimming pool area. Now right here, dito sa area na to, itong open na to, we will have a glass railing over here about 1.30 in height, 1.30 meters as protective railing dito sa area na to. So yung buong perimeter na to, we will have a glass railing and combination of plant boxes over here dito sa area na to. Yung buong perimeter natin. So ito yung ating shed over here. As you see in the background, then we have here the columns and also all the columns meron tayong plant boxes. So yan yung ating shed. Now dito, ito na ngayon yung development ng ating swimming pool. Yan, so almost 90% na yung na-install na mga swimming pool tiles dito using that mosaic tiles. Then dito, ito yung ating overflow drain dito sa area na to. Now we use 30 by 30 na mosaic tiles, so hindi siya madulas. So it's matte surface. Yan as also a protection din para hindi siya madulas or hindi madulas yung magsiswimming o gagamit ng swimming pool. Then here, magkakaroon din tayo dito itong walkway na to. Magkakaroon din tayo dito ng covering or floor covering using natural stone. So hintayin lang natin yung development. And sa mga susunod na videos, ipapakita ko sa inyo dito yung mga finishes ng ating walkway dito sa area na to. Now as you see here, naglagay na tayo ng water dun sa surface ng ating swimming pool. This also to avoid yung direct sunlight dito sa surface ng ating mga tiles para hindi siya easily ma-chip off dahil bagong install pa lang siya ng tiles. Now over there, kita nyo yung stair going up dun sa pinaka main deck and also yun, meron din tayong stair. So we will put floor covering dyan sa stairs na yan using granite. Now dito, itong column na to, yung magkakatabing column na to, we will also put tile covering here in this column. Now let's walk over here para makita natin dito yung ongoing installation ng ating accent wall tiles. Now over here, ito yung development natin ngayon. No? Today is May 10, 2024. So yan yung ongoing development natin ng ating swimming pool. So dito, we will put covering, yung drain cover natin dito, yung overflow drain na trench cover. We will also include here as one of the finishes ng ating overflow drain. So right here, ito yung ating swimming pool area. Now dito sa area na to, nakapag-start na rin ang pag-install ng accent tile para sa ating column. Ito yung ginamit nating granite tiles. Now dito, meron na tayong na-install na granite tiles. So ito yung ating column. Hanggang dun sa taas, yan, babalutan natin siya nung granite tiles. So dito meron na tayong na-install sa lower part na tiles. Then here, meron din tayong nilagay na groove lines or channel dito to separate this one tiles to another tiles na ikakabit din dito. So meron siyang groove line. So kita nyo dito. So yan yung connection niya. Yan, it's still ongoing installation. Then lalagyan natin yung ating mga columns ng ating accent granite tiles, yung column na yan, then other column, then yung column na nandun sa dulo. So over here, ito yung development ng ating swimming pool. Then at the right side of our structure, ito yung mga finishes natin. So ito yung development natin dito mula dito sa deck ng ating swimming pool hanggang dun sa taluktok. Now over here in the swimming pool area, ito yung deck natin. Then we have the shed or columns here or the canopy. Then from here, going up to the uppermost part of our structure, ito yung ating development today, May 10, 2024. So ito yung surrounding natin and development of the project. Now dito na makikita nyo sa background, ito yung development ng ating swimming pool. Then later on the next coming weeks, makikita na natin dito yung mga accent wall ng ating columns and also yung development ng ating swimming pool. Most probably yung ating stairs, meron na rin tayong granite tiles. And on the next video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung development natin dito sa ating swimming pool area. Lalong-lalo na kung meron na tayong mga landscape and also we also have the glass railing and also added plant boxes na sa perimeter natin. So it will look comfortable and also enjoying to have recreational activities dito sa ating swimming pool deck area. Alright guys, sa mga susunod na mga videos, please do like, subscribe, and follow me para lagi ko updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Again, I'm Architect Jojo Golpeo, joyfully sharing with you what Archi knows. Thank you very much and God bless you.